Hello students. So today we are going to discuss about the topic how to calculate data across worksheets. So now suppose you were working at the head office maintaining hard data for 6 reasons, and you were exactly the same, you are using the same worksheet layout and the labels to track the average sales of each region over the previous quarter. Now each sheet contains headings by region such as region 1, region 2, region 3, and each cell H15 on each sheet the calculated total number of sales for the quarter appear. So what does the sheet shows is the sales of the different regions and then the total sales made by a particular region in the entire month, in the entire year. So if you want to obtain the average sales over the quarter, what would you do? In this exercise, you learn how to perform calculations on data across different worksheets. So you have data across different worksheets, and how do you want to calculate that average or calculate on that data? Now go to sheet 2, name it year 2 sheet, and insert the same data in the sheet 2 of the next year. Go to sheet 2, name it totals, and insert the same labels. Type the sum formula in the cell B2, that is equal to sum and bracket open, parenthesis open, and then you select the data, select the figures or select the rows that you want to use or you want to create a summation of. And while the parenthesis open, go to year 2 sheet and then go to year 1 sheet and press enter. Repeat the same step to calculate the sum for the other expenses. Note the way the range is specified, sheet name and then cell number. To answer the question raised earlier, you could create a new sheet called quarter summary. To find the average, enter the following formula in one of the cells in the summary sheet. That is average, region 1, region 6, exclamation mark, H15. That is, you need to link those sheets. So you want to find the average, so average of the region 1, that is the region that you want, divided by region 6 divided by H15, that is the total. So spreadsheet calculates the average for all the values stored in H15 on all sheets in the range, that is region 1 to region 6. If you move the region 6 sheet between region 4 and region 5, the software will adjust the calculation to include the sheets for regions 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and region 5 will be omitted. Similarly, if you want delete or add a sheet anywhere between region 1 and region 6, the software will include all the sheets located within the range in this calculation. So this is how the calculation is done across the sheets. You can apply formulas like sum and then average. You need to be specific in terms of selecting the range. If you make any error in terms of selecting the range, the data or the output will vary. So in the next class, we'll start with using multiple workbooks and linking cells.